In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the CCI Coded OBV indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. Let's jump straight into the TradingView chart. Once you have your chart open, the first thing you want to do is move your eyes to the top of the screen. You'll see a menu bar running across the top, and in that bar, there's a button labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you'll find every tool and study you can add to your chart. So it's the main gateway for customizing your setup. When that indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar near the top. This search bar is really helpful if you already know the name of the indicator you want, because it saves you from scrolling through long lists. Click inside that search bar so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now type in the name of the indicator exactly as you want to use it. CCI Coded OBV. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results in real time. Give it a second to load, and you should see CCI Coded OBV appear in the list below. Make sure you select the correct one, then simply click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically add the CCI Coded OBV indicator to your chart, usually in a separate panel underneath your main price chart. Once the indicator is added, it's a good idea to adjust the settings so it works the way you like. To do that, move your mouse over the CCI Coded OBV panel. You should see a small settings icon appear, usually represented by a gear. Click on that gear icon to open the settings window for this indicator. Inside the settings, you can fine-tune things like lengths, smoothing, colors, and line styles, depending on how the script was built. Take a moment to explore these options and adjust them to match your trading style and chart theme. If you're new to this indicator, you might want to start with the default settings, then come back later to tweak them once you understand how it behaves with your market and time frame. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more indicators, more alerts, and an overall smoother charting experience, make sure to use the link in my video description to sign up. That way, you can follow along with this setup exactly as I'm showing it and get the most out of the CCI Coded OBV indicator in your own trading.